I'll guide you through how to contact Uber support as a driver or rider the easy way, without searching for a phone number online and ending up with a number that doesn't work. If you're looking to report an issue with a trip, or you need to dispute a fare as a driver, and you want to find the most effective way to reach an Uber representative, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The primary and most effective way for both riders and drivers to contact Uber support is through the app itself. The in-app help feature is the fastest way to get assistance for most issues. Before we explore how riders can contact Uber for help, let's see how drivers can do it. Open the Uber driver app and tap the menu icon, then tap on Help. Here you'll find a dedicated section for driver-specific issues such as account questions, fare issues, and technical problems. You can select your issue and choose to get help via a phone call or an in-app message. Another great option for drivers is to visit an Uber Greenlight hub. These are physical locations in some cities where you can get in-person support. To get help as an Uber rider, open the Uber app and tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Help. From here, you can select the specific trip you need help with and choose from a list of common issues like a lost item, a fare adjustment, or a safety incident. If the pre-written help articles don't resolve your issue, you'll see an option to call support or message support from within the app. For urgent matters, both riders and drivers have access to Uber's 24/7 safety response line. This number is for emergencies only, and you should always call 911 first. You can find the emergency safety line by going to the shield icon in your app during the trip. By this, you have successfully learned how to contact Uber support as a driver or rider. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more app video tutorials. Thanks for watching.